that I know about igus is actually from the machine tool industry. I'm a machinist. So a lot of the like OEM machine tool builders, all of the wiring harnesses and all the cables are basically created in igus cable carriers that basically ride on the machine axes. So that's how I really know about igus from my time in the industry, and also they have like another manufacturing group for bearings. And thoughts on the bike is a really interesting design. It looks pretty ergonomic, and it's pretty interesting that it's made out of sustainable materials, and whoever did the industrial design behind it, great job.